Hello everybody, I'm James. Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to connect your phone to the Peugeot 508. The first thing you want to do is you want to go over to the second from end icon and press that in. This brings you to the connectivity part. The Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto buttons will be all dimmed out for the time being. So first things you want to do is you want to lean over to the left hand side, and you should see this phone symbol there for USB port. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and plug that into there, and then plug the other end of the cable into your phone, and then the MirrorLink Android Auto for me, or it could be the Apple CarPlay for you, will light up, and then all you have to do is just tap on it. And if your phone is unlocked, it's going to display this message. If not, all you have to do is unlock your phone. Just press next. You're going to go through the permissions. You're going to press yes, I'm in. And then it's going to bring you to here. So you can have your sat nav. You can change the view by going into settings and then pressing satellite. Then you can scroll around, and if you press the circle icon, it's going to bring you to all your apps. So you can listen to Spotify, you can make phone calls, you can exit it, view your calendar, put the news on by Google, podcasts and so on and so forth. You can use your voice to trigger Google if that's what you prefer to do. I hope you found this demonstration video useful. Please like, comment and subscribe, and have a very good day.